This video is all you need to start your eBay dropshipping business. Now this is very quick and simple. I'm going to explain to you first what is dropshipping. Now for example, you go to Amazon. A lot of people use Amazon to buy like items for themselves. Now if you go to Amazon, like I'm going to explain to you right now what is dropshipping. For example, you see a product on Amazon and you want to sell it on eBay. So the beauty of dropshipping is you don't even have to have items in stock. You can just sell other people's items on eBay. So for example, you copy the title, you download the pictures from Amazon, the description, and then you start listing the item on eBay. And if someone buys that product from you, then you go to Amazon, let's say Amazon, and then you click buy now, and instead of putting your address, you put the customer's address, so that Amazon will send the item directly to the customer, okay, that has purchased the item from you on eBay. Now it's very simple, guys. Like you sell an item that you don't have in stock. You just like download the pictures, the title, stuff like that, and then you list the exact item on your eBay store. If someone buys it from you, instead of going to your house or the stock that you have in your in somewhere, instead of taking the product physically and you go to the shipping company and you send the product, you just order it from another supplier and then they send it directly. They do the work for you. Okay, now how you can find a supplier? Now the best supplier is Walmart. Okay, now you just want to open an account on Walmart and then start dropshipping. It's very easy. You just find products. I'm going to show you how you can find winning products. First, you want to just search for any product. Okay, the reason why I say this is because you have to find your competitors on eBay. Okay, you just want to find a random product here. So for example, I'm going to find, like, for example, this product. Now what you guys need to do next, you want to search, you want to copy the title of the Walmart seller, and you want to go to eBay and you want to search for the competitors. You want to search for people who are dropshippers. Okay, now for example, I'm going to, for example, this guy. Okay, this guy is selling the exact same item here, as you can see. It's the same, but it doesn't have any sales. Like, even if it has some sales on Walmart, it's not proven to work, okay, on eBay. We want to find items that people are interested in on eBay. Okay, now on Walmart it has a lot of sales, but on eBay it doesn't have sales. Now you want to click, now even if after you find the product, even if it doesn't have any sales, you want to go to the store of the person, okay, on eBay, so that you can see their other successful listings. Now you want to scroll down a little bit and then click see all, and next thing you want to do, guys, you want to scroll down, okay, and click on sold items in the left. And now you can see all their successful listings. Now this is the listing that is proven to work. It has 11 sales. It has like 11 people has purchased this item, which is really good. This is what we want. Now we want to find this exact item on Walmart. If we can find it on Walmart, I'm going to search for it right now. Okay, it seems like this guy is dropshipping from Amazon, I guess. Let's just see right now. Okay, this guy is dropshipping from somewhere else. I am going to find this item right now. I'm going to try to find it. Yeah, this is the item. Now it's actually from eBay. Now I'm going to find it somewhere else. I'm going to click on images and I am going to find this exact product. Okay, it's actually on Amazon. This guy is dropshipping on Amazon. So you can either he's actually dropshipping from Amazon, as you can see. Now after you find the product, you then go to eBay and then you click list or click sale in the top right. And then what you need to do, guys, next, like, be careful with this. You want to copy this title of eBay seller not Amazon seller, because like you can either use Amazon or Walmart. Like if you can find the product on Amazon, list it. If you can find it on Walmart, list it. Okay, now you want to copy this title because it's proven to work. People are searching for this title, and other things you want to download them from Amazon, including the pictures, the description. You just want to copy the description from Amazon, and then you start listing. Now if you don't know how to list, click the video in the screen and you will be able to learn how to list items on your eBay if you are a dropshipper. Okay, so dropshipping on eBay, like I said, is a very simple business that you can start right now. So if this video guys helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.